How to save Telegram videos in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can save Telegram videos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to save or download Telegram videos from the Telegram app to your iPhone, it depends upon what kind of video and what kind of link it is. Because sometimes you have just the media that has been directly sent to you, but sometimes you have the link. If you have the link, it most likely will ask you to redirect you to download some other applications. Now normally what you have to do is you can simply open up the Telegram chat. Just head over to any chat wherever you have received the media that you want to download, let's say. And over here you can see a couple of videos that I've received, and if I would like to download any of these, what I need to do is I just need to go ahead and play this video here. I can choose to pause it or do whatever else I prefer, but if I want to save this video to my iPhone, if I look at the top right hand side, you'll be able to see the little three dots option here. You want to make sure to just tap the three dots icon, and then here you'll find this option known as save video. All you have to do is just tap the save video option, and the video will be successfully saved to your Photos app, because if I now go ahead and open my Photos application, the video is actually saved, as you can find it over here as well. So this way I can go ahead and then save Telegram videos to my iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.